Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. The NASDAQ 100 hit a record close today, ending roughly 0.7% higher. The S&P 500 and the small cap Russell 2000 both ended within about 40 points of their latest record closes. Meanwhile, the Dow touched a new record during the day, but ended down around 0.5%. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, just 4 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher. Tech and communication services led the way. To the downside, financials led declines, followed by consumer discretionary. Looking at some stocks on the move, Norwegian Cruise Line rallied today after it announced it's charting the course strategy and new 2026 financial targets, while also raising its full year 2024 guidance. The company cited very strong demand for raising its profit outlook and expects to generate about $9 billion of revenue this year. Shares ended nearly 8% higher. Nvidia closed more than 2% higher on the day after analysts started raising price targets on the stock in anticipation of its earnings report on Wednesday afternoon. Baird, Stifel, and Barclays all raised their price targets and kept buy or outperform ratings on shares. Nvidia is up more than 90% so far this year. And Palo Alto Networks shares are down following earnings that came in slightly above estimates, and the company issued in-line fourth quarter guidance. Palo Alto Networks saw year-over-year revenue growth of 15%, and for the fourth quarter, they expect revenue growth of between 10% and 11%. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. Earnings will continue on the retail front with Lowe's, Macy's, and AutoZone in the pre-market. Toll Brothers and Urban Outfitters will report after the bell. And then on the data side, it'll be Fed speakers in focus with Barkin, Waller, Williams, Bostic, and Barr all set to speak. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.